Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 9th students and the chapter is atoms and molecules. In the last class we were discussed about atomic mass. Now this is very important, atomic mass. Atomic mass, right? So what is meant by this atomic mass, or how can you represent this atomic mass? This atomic mass in the initial days are represented by small amu. That means atomic mass unit. In nowadays it was converted as a small u, that is a unified mass. What ma? Unified mass. Unified mass. Symbol is u. So what is meant by this atomic mass unit? Define atomic mass unit means, so it is exactly equal to mass of the 1/12 mass of an atom of an mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. So this 1/12 carbon mass of carbon 12 isotope is nearly equal to this AMU. That means atomic mass unit. Okay, this is what AMU or atomic mass unit. So in this class I am going to discussing about how do atoms exist. How do atoms exist? So can you see these atoms anywhere in your surroundings? Exactly no. Why? Because these atoms are very small particles. These atoms cannot exist independently. Why? Because these are very small. And atoms forms a molecules and ions. These atoms forms a molecules and ions. So from this aggregation of molecules and ions, that means a large number of these atoms combines together to form a matter. Okay. So what we see our in our surroundings, that is all we are considered as a matter. In that matter we can observe these molecules and ions. In that ions we can ions and molecules we can see these atoms. Can you say what is meant by atoms? Atoms are cutless particle or indivisible particles or atoms. These are very small. That's why we cannot see through our naked eyes. This is what atoms. Okay. So this is the story of these atoms. So generally these atoms cannot exist independently. Atoms cannot atoms can't exist independently. So this exists as a molecules and ions. This is what we can what we touch or we can feel or we can see. These are all matter. In that matter we can observe the atoms. Okay. So next is molecule. So what is this molecule? So in general, molecule is it is made up of two or more atoms. So in general, molecules in general we call as it is a group of two or more atoms. In these are chemically bonded. Two or more atoms chemically bonded. So how these are bonded, or what is the force or this chemical force in between these two or more atoms? That is a strong attractive force. A strong attractive force is present in between these atoms. So in between these, if you consider this is one atom and this is one atom. Okay. So in between we can observe the what it is a force, attractive force. When these two atoms combine together, this forms a molecules like this. This is a molecules. Okay. So these are the atoms. Okay, this is atom 1 and this is atom 2. So when two atoms are combined together, we call as molecules. In this you have to remember one more thing, amma. Atoms of same elements, if you consider I am taking this is carbon right now. This is a same type. In this element, all atoms are same. Okay. And one more thing, atoms of different elements can join together and forms a molecule. So this is one element. This is one element, carbon. So I am taking one more carbon. This is oxygen right now. This is a symbol of oxygen. Combining one more oxygen, this forms O2. This is a same atoms combined together to form a compounds or molecules. Okay, and one more thing. Yeah, I am taking this is C, carbon right now, and one more thing. This is C, O. So these are different element, different atoms. Carbon monoxide. This is a carbon atoms and this is oxygen atoms. So different atoms of elements combined together to form a molecules. So molecules may be same atom. Molecules may be same atoms or different elements or different atoms. So these molecules are formed by same type of atoms or different types of atoms. In the same type of atoms, oxygen. In the different type of atoms, carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide, CO2. C plus O2, CO2. Like H2SO4, different atoms combined together to form a molecules. So these are all today's class atoms, how do atoms exist and molecules. In the next class we will deeply discuss the what is the elements of molecules and ions and compounds. So this is very important. So AMU means atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit means it is equal to 1/12th mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. This is AMU, atomic mass. So from the atomic mass we can elaborate all these things. So how do atoms exist? How can atom exist, ma? So individually or independently these are not exist. Why? Because these are very small particles. That is the reason these atoms we cannot see through our naked eyes. So this is the story of atoms, and the next is molecules. So in general it is a group of two or more atoms. So molecules are generally group of two or more atoms. These are chemically bonded together. So this is because of these two atoms. In between these two atoms, a strong attractive force is present. That's why this is in the combined state. So this is all today's class, molecules and atoms. In the next class we will discuss the very interesting topics of this chapter, atoms and molecules. Okay, thank you.